Hello, thanks for joining us. Wanted to walk you through, remember we said in the beginning I love to follow directions? Well, what I didn't tell you is I love to follow my interpretation of directions. And I also said this would be an adventure. Well, along come with adventures come misadventures. And what we quickly learned before we put the attic roof on and the front, before we put the front on, there should have been a space between the porch floor and the base floor. So we actually had to remove the porch floor and open it up so this extends a little bit over the front of the foundation, and the front of the house slips right in between the porch floor and the base floor, because you have to have the notches inside match up with the mid floor. So then after that we glue the attic ceiling, which you will see here, and taped. Now, I wish I invested in the stock market, because I would invest in tape at this point, because we're probably going to end up using a whole roll. But you can see it's a challenge, because you have to push the sides in, keep it taut, make sure the glue is going to dry. It has to keep the angle correctly, or your roof isn't going to fit on. Now, the other part of the misadventure, I read the directions several times, but what I'm learning is I don't always follow directions carefully, because I pre-painted this side, when in reality I should have pre-painted this side. So before you put on your roof shingles and before you put on the roof, you have a grid to mark off the rows for your shingles on the top, which will actually become the attic wall, your other, the back wall, back roof, as you can see there are the lines, excuse me, and then your porch roof. And yes, true to